Welcome back to Anu's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you one of the famous recipe of Tamil Nadu called white pumpkin kootu. Now let's move on to the recipe. Ingredients required for white pumpkin kootu. I have taken white pumpkin. I have peeled off the skin of the white pumpkin and cut into pieces. 1.5 tablespoon of raw rice soaked in water. 2 green chillies, half grated coconut, required water, a few coriander leaves, a few curry leaves, 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and required salt. Tablespoons of curd. Let's begin the recipe. Light the gas stove and we have to take the pressure cooker. To this we have to add the pumpkins. Add required amount of water. Close it and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. We have to remove the whistle. When the pumpkin is cooked, we have to transfer it to a pan. Light the flame. Light the gas stove and keep the pan and cook the pumpkin for 1 minute. Meanwhile, grind the masala for the kootu. For that, we have to take the coconut, then raw rice, 2 green chillies and add little water and grind it to a paste. Now add the ground paste to it and salt also, required salt, and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now add curd also and mix well. Now switch off the flame and now you have to light the flame and take a small pan. To this we have to add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, adding coconut oil gives a very good flavor for this kootu. So that's why I am adding coconut oil. Put the mustard seeds and put the Urad Dal and allow it to splutter. Now the mustard seeds are spluttering. Now switch off the flame, add the seasoning to the kootu and mix well. Now the white pumpkin kootu is ready. Finish with coriander leaves. Now the yummy white pumpkin kootu is ready. It is an excellent side dish for rasam rice, sambar rice, vattakolum rice and even chappatis also it is really suitable. Please do try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.